Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today, ang gagawin naman nating recipe ay lemon poppy seed cake. Since everybody is baking nowadays dahil sa quarantine, so ang naisip ko ay i-share sa inyo ang recipe na to na nakita ko sa joecooks.com. Medyo minodify ko lang ng konti yung recipe at yung pinaka-icing natin for our cake. So let's get started. So the ingredients that we need are all-purpose flour, we have eggs, poppy seeds, salt, vanilla extract, lemon zest, we have milk, lemon juice, Greek yogurt, oil, sugar, and baking powder. So, umpisahan na natin. So, ang una natin gagawin ay pagsasama-samahin natin ang ating dry ingredients. So, we have our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and our poppy seed. And then, paghahaluin lang natin siya. Yan. So, ang next nating step ay ilalagay na natin ang ating mga wet ingredients sa separate bowl together. I will put the link for the recipe sa description box. So, paki-check nyo na lang siya doon. Okay, and then we'll just mix this. So, for this recipe, gagamit ako ng stand mixer, but you really don't have to. Pwede nyo lang siyang haluin by hand. Pero, medyo fancy ako today, so gagamit tayo ng stand mixer. So, ihalo lang natin. And then, lang natin. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa stir. Okay, so our mixture is ready. So, ready na natin siyang i-transfer sa ating pan. And yung ating pan is lightly greased. Okay, para hindi kumapit yung ating cake. Okay, so we can transfer our mixture to our pan. So, habang nasa oven siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin ang kanyang glaze. So, na-preheat ko na ang ating oven to 375 and then we will bake this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So, ready na ang ating oven. Ilalagay lang natin siya. And then, okay, so while we're waiting for our cake, let's make the glaze. So, I have lemon juice. I also have heavy cream or whipping cream. I have about 1 teaspoon of butter. And then, for this recipe, we need about 2 cups of icing sugar. Pero ilalagay ko muna siya in increments of 1/4 cup. Mix lang. Then another 1/4 cup. So, kumakapal na yung ating glaze. So, let's add another 1/4 cup. Okay, so at this point, medyo gusto ko na yung consistency ng ating glaze. And kaya nagho-hold off ako na ilagay ang buong 2 cups to make sure na hindi din siya super tamis. I'll just try our glaze. So, lalagyan ko pa siya ng a little bit more. And then, mix. Okay. So, ayan na yung ating. Okay, guys. Ready na ang ating lemon cake. Oops. Tanggalin lang natin siya. Oops. So guys, ito na yung ating lemon poppy seed cake. And then, i-glaze na natin siya. Okay guys, ito na ang hinihintay nating portion. Titikman na natin ang ating binake na lemon poppy seed cake. So, ito na siya. Ready na siya. And, kukuha lang ako ng konti. Perfect siya guys. Perfect siya for your coffee and for your tea in the afternoon or even sa breakfast natin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos to come. Bye!